my channel. I have an unboxing to do today. It's a very exciting unboxing because I have pre-ordered this since the beginning of the month, and let me show it to you. And this is the real unboxing, guys. I just opened the box. It's the Montsouri PM backpack. Look at the inside. It's gorgeous. It's like reddish cherry kind of. It's the same color as my, well, almost a little bit reddish than what my top is right now. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Instructions. Look at this gorgeous green. Sorry. Wow, this is really cute. I really like it. I really like the inside. I like the lining. Oh god. Here's the heat stamp right here, and it's just one opening. All right, there's like a little pocket inside. The straps are like this. You cannot detach the straps on this backpack on this Montsouri backpack. Hold on. My goodness. I will tell you if it's a iPhone 11, but I don't think so really, because it looks a little bit smaller. I have here the Palm Springs PM because it looks like more sporty. This is for, like, I don't know, when you go, I don't know, like Disney, or like you go biking, hiking. But I decided to order this backpack. It's my style. I wanted to get a little bit more dressy, and I'm very happy with this. I'm going to put the chain. You guys want to know, this chain is from Disney. It's so cute. It's a Mickey. I don't know if it's too much. Maybe it's too much, but anyways, I'll tell you guys what it fits in here. Okay. Look at this. Okay. My stuff. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but this is a Bim, and it's a light that you can put inside of your purse just to light up so that you can find things easily. I got it at Amazon. I have my cosmetic pouch, PM. Okay, it fits a tons of stuff. It's just that I have the organizer. That's why I'm, you know, it's kind of like, it's not perfectly. My 6 key ring holder, sanitizer, a pencil case from Hello Kitty. It's so cute. From Erin Condren. They have the Hello Kitty collection going on right now. So if you guys want to see it, my sunglasses. I will put it over here. I'm just put it here. Okay. Okay. It is kind of heavy, huh? Friends? 3. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And you won't find any problem taking this out in a rainy day. Oh my god. Like this video, give it a thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to subscribe.